Every time you win a deal in Pipedrive, do you still manually create tasks in ClickUp? You can solve this problem by using this automation. So check this out. On the left hand side, I'm in Pipedrive and I'm going to create a new deal. So let's quickly create a new deal. I'm going to say contact person is Ben, organization is Ben's Power Solutions, and then value, I'm just going to put in a random value over there. For phone number, I'm going to put in a random phone number there. And then I'm also going to put in Ben's email address. So Ben's ps@gmail.com. Perfect. I'm going to save this deal. And this deal has been created. Now, let's say hypothetically speaking, I have won this deal. So I'm going to open up the deal and I am going to click on one here. So on the top right. So I'm going to click on one. And then the last step is I need to then go down here and then click on save. Now what's going to happen is that this deal is automatically going to be passed into ClickUp as a task. If I go to the right hand side, this is actually what is going to be seen. And there we go. The task has been successfully created. It is called Call Ben. And then now if I click on the task and I scroll down, as you can see, this is the task content saying please call Ben on the number below. There we go. And then we can see all the details related to this specific task. What an awesome automation. Hi, my name is Peter from ConX Digital. We are an automation and integrations company that specializes in Pipedrive and ClickUp automations. If you're interested in working with us, please be sure to book a free discovery call with us. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you how you can build this Pipedrive to ClickUp automation. Alright, let's get into it. The digital automation platform that we'll be using to create this automation is make.com. We'll be using two modules to achieve this. The first module will be a Pipedrive module and the second module will be a ClickUp module. So let's look at the first module. The first module is a trigger module and it is a Pipedrive module, which is watch deals. And so I'm going to open up this module. So these are the different things that appear when you open up this module. And what you need to focus on is this section down below over here where it says status. And so I've set my status to be 1. So essentially when a deal is created in Pipedrive and it's 1, this is going to come into action. This is going to take place. And I've limited this response to 1. Now here also at the bottom it says trigger when object is updated. So there's two options here. It's either object created or object updated. So I selected object updated. And that's all you need to do. And so from this module, all you need to do is click on save. And then once the trigger happens, then it's going to lead to the next module, which is the ClickUp create a task module. So this essentially is where a task is going to be created in ClickUp. And so these are the different things that appear within the ClickUp platform. So the workspace I created was ConX demos. In the space, I created demo tasks. In the folder, then I selected this over here. Then I selected the specific list within the folder, and then this is also what is important. These are the details of the task that you are creating. So essentially the task name is call the person of the actual company. So call, and then I mapped this person name from the previous module, which was the Pipedrive module. And then what I did is that I also gave it the task content. So I said, yeah, please call person name on the number below. And obviously these specific fields are then pulling through from the previous module, and I just mapped them, and this will appear as the task content. And then what I did is that I also assigned it to a specific person, and then I also made sure that the status is to do. So over here, if I click on the drop down, there's also in progress and complete, but I made sure that the status will be to do, and then priority being urgent, and then the due date I set it for now. So essentially when you go into the platform, you'll see that the due date is today because it is urgent. And then if I go down below down here, the last thing in terms of what I put here was start date. So here it says now, and then also again it's going to show as today's date. And that's all you need to do. From there, once you're done doing that, all you need to do is click on save, and that's it. This is how you can build a very simple but yet powerful Pipedrive to ClickUp automation. If you're interested in us building this for you, please be sure to reach out to us. You can book a free discovery call should you wish to do so. And if you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. If you want to visit our website, you can visit our website, which is conx.digital. And please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel so that we can give you more valuable content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.